Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable this dial pad tone setting. Guys you don't like guys this dial pad tone setting friends you want to disable. So guys, how can you disable in your Samsung phone? In this video I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting. Then guys scroll it friends you can see sound and vibration guys tap here. Guys again scroll friends you can see system sound and vibration control setting guys tap here. Friends you can see guys this dialing keypad tone friends tap here the right side. Guys this sound will disable friends you can see this tone will not work in your Samsung phone guys. So like that guys you want to disable this dial pad tone setting you can disable in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.